Hi everyone, I'm Xiuli Chen. I'm going to present an adaptive model of gaze-based selection. Gaze-based selection has been studied in HCI since the 1990s. While many significant advances have been made, we believe that further progress could be made with a cognitive model of eye movement and vision. In this paper, we proposed a reinforcement learning model that learns the gaze-based selection task from experience of the environment. In the model, the sequence of saccades and fixations is governed by an attempt to optimize a utility function, such as selection time, accuracy, or a trade-off between these two. Importantly, the optimization is constrained by the model of both motor system and vision system. In a gaze-based selection task, the user is often asked to move their gaze into a target region as quickly as possible. From a starting point, due to our low acuity peripheral vision, a noisy estimate of the target position is made, as shown in location 2. Then, an eye movement is aimed towards location 2. However, due to the noise in our ocular motor system, the eye ended up at location 3. The process repeats until it reaches the target. In this case, it takes 2 saccades to reach the target. Similarly, in the model, the agent chooses an action, a saccade, based on its current belief of target position. Given the action taken and the task environment, a noisy observation is obtained and used to update agent's belief of the target position. Meanwhile, the reward function is used to update agent's policy. A reinforcement learning algorithm is used to learn the optimal policy so that the sequence of saccades is governed by an attempt to maximize the reward function. Now let's look at some results. The selection time in a gaze-based selection task is usually composed of 2 parts, eye movement time and dwell time. Eye movement times are the time required to find and reach the target. This is sensitive to the size of the target. Specifically, the eye movement time decreases with bigger target sizes, as that the number of saccades required decreases. The second part is the dwell time. In the experiment, a continuous 800 millisecond within target region is required to commit the target selection. However, it's known that even during fixation, human eyes do not remain perfectly still. The eyes jitter in a small area. For example, the data show that when fixating on a target region of 1.2 degree, this jitter causes the gaze to leave and re-enter the target area several times, resulting in an actual target dwell time of 1075 milliseconds, that is 275 milliseconds longer than the dwell criterion of 800 milliseconds. How does our model do? The model was only fitted to data of the smallest target size, but as you can see, there is an exceptional correspondence between the model prediction and the data. The model predictions of eye movement time and final selection time decrease the same rate as human data. Our model also predicts a number of other empirical findings in the literature, such as the effect of index of difficulty on the number of saccades. To conclude, we have reported a gaze-based selection model that adapts eye movement strategies to target size, target distances, as well as to noise in the motor and vision system. The model predicts a number of key empirical findings in the literature and provides a useful basis for guiding future research. Further work should explore using the model in design optimization. Thank you.